Today, I want to expand on the video on spinal fluidity and mobility and flexibility that I posted last week and take this into a bit of improvisation in movement so that we can see where our body's at and where our body wants to go with that. So we'll start with a couple of structured moves and then see where our body wants to go from there. And I encourage you to really listen to your body and see what it wants to do. But if you're unsure, you can always just copy what I'm doing. For those who don't know me, I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counselor and a registered dance movement therapist here in Australia. And I always urge you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professional, such as your doctor, if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle, and always work with your body wherever it's at any given moment in time. This is really about stress relief, sensing into your body, sensing into what it needs, and really bringing your cortisol levels and your stress levels, therefore, down. So let's get right into it. We always start with a big, deep breath in, so we can take our arms up and breathe in through the nose. Take your shoulders up to your ears if that feels comfortable, and exhale through the mouth. Make the exhale longer than the inhale. That helps us enter a parasympathetic nervous system state. That helps us, get into that calm and restful state. Another deep breath in. And out through the mouth. I can feel something crack in my sort of upper spine. I always think that's interesting to note, and also just I feel like that's a good thing. It, obviously it feels good. So something's adjusting just already, just tuning in. And I also have a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video that helps you track your body sensations that you experience before, during, and after you do this exercise. It's very simple, drawing and noting down in words what you're feeling on a body outline. So now I'm going to just start with a couple of shoulder rolls. So we're going to go breathe in, taking your shoulders up and down, breathing out. Keeping your knees soft again. It's all about listening to your body, getting out of this rushing state that we all get into in our everyday lives. Now, I'll encourage you to take your arm up and take it over to one side, just gently, and see if you can feel a stretch. You're keeping your body, your torso straight, like facing the front. And you don't even have to go very far, just if you're just feeling a gentle stretch here, and take it back down. And the other side. Just feeling that gentle stretch. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed. That's always a challenge for me somehow. And down. Just loosening everything up. So I'm also going to encourage you to tilt your head to the side, just feeling that gentle stretch really. Don't jar yourself into anything, and coming back up to the center and then to the other side. Coming back up. Now, tilt again. And if that is available to you, we're going to do a semicircle with our neck, and then a semicircle to the other side. Now, let's take that semicircle into our torso. So really letting your shoulders come with it. And from here, I really encourage you to see where your body wants to go. I can see feeling sort of stretching into those sides again, very gently. And maybe your arms want to go along as well, sort of painting the air. Maybe floating like algae in the water. Maybe your shoulders want to be involved as well. For you, whatever you feel like doing might look different from what I'm doing. If you're unsure, you can just copy what I'm doing. And I feel like letting my head hang heavy. And I feel like lifting my feet off the ground. You might move forwards gently. Or maybe you just want to walk on the spot. I'm going to go deeper. Still letting my head hang heavy. Going deep into my knees. And then again taking my elbows up. Becoming quite dynamic. But see if that's where you're at as well, whether you want to be sort of dynamic with it or keep it very slow. Sometimes it's nice to do something very slow and very simple to actually tune into that particular body part and to see what it feels like, to become very aware of it. It also helps you with present moment awareness, that groundedness in the present moment. So I'm already coming to almost stillness here. And I feel like going down one more time. And I'll show you this from the side also. I feel like that gentle bounce in the lower back. It's almost like pushing into the ground through your feet and just letting that lower back bounce very gently. If that is available to you, do not do anything that hurts you or feels uncomfortable. This is really just working with your body. And sort of swaying from side to side, coming up at the same time, very, very gently rolling up through the swaying. And let's take a deep breath in again and taking our arms up. Shoulders to your ears and out through the mouth. Again, I feel my spine crack. What's going on today? Please leave me any feedback in the comments section below. Let me know what you want to see more of, what you would like to understand better, and also please download the free reflection tool if you're interested. We've got a few book recommendations in there as well on mind-body connection and the kind of moves we engage in here, and some recipe books, and just some stress management. I'll see you in the next video.